A very good morning. Today I will teach you the first chapter, that is how the camel got his hump. Hump, see, you can see the camel's back which is round and which is towards out, right? And outward. Outward back which is round. This is known as hump. So this story is written by Rudyard Kipling. In this story, he will tell how this camel got hump on his back. Alright, so I will tell you the summary of this story. What is this story about? Let's start. In the very beginning of the time, when the world was new, there is a camel. There was a camel. And the camel was very lazy. Right? And what he used to do, he always used to sit in the middle of the desert, eating prickles and milkweeds. Prickles that is known as kantedar in Hindi, right? So what happens when anyone comes to him and speak to him, he only responds hum. So what happened on Monday, the horse comes and asks the camel to help them, right? The camel replies hum. Then the horse goes away and tells the man that the camel only replies hum and he is not ready to do any work. So next day what happens? The dog comes to the camel to fetch and carry. Again the camel replies hum and he doesn't move from his place. On Tuesday, same thing happened. The camel responds hum. The dog goes away and tells the man. So on Wednesday, ox came and asked the camel to help plow, right? So what happens? Again, the camel's statement was the same. He says hump, which says hump, right? Then the camel dogs goes away and tells the man. What happened? At the end of the day, the man calls the three animals together and the man says that since the camel will not walk, they will have to do extra work to make up for him. This makes the three very angry and they talk and complain about the camel, right? Which was very natural. Obviously, they were doing their own work, but now the man is telling that camel is not doing work, so you have to do his work as well. So what happens? In roles of a jinn, the man in charge of all desert and he confers with the three. Then they ask what happens. Then the three animals calls the jinn and they complain about the camel. The jinn heads towards the middle of the desert where the camel was sitting and was looking, ogling his reflection. Means he was looking towards his reflection. So what happens? The jinn came and asked camel why he is not doing any work, right? When these three animals complained to jinn, so jinn came back and asked to the camel, why you are not working? The camel says hum. Again the reply was same to the jinn. He says hum. The jinn warns the camel that if he says hump again, something bad may happen, right? Jinn has now warned camel if he replies the same, something bad is going to happen. So what happened? As soon as the camel respond with hump again and again, so you can see a huge hump grows on the back of the camel. So the jinn tells. Now the jinn tells the camel that is his very own hump brought on by his selfishness, right? And lack of activity. What is the reason of this hump? Because he was not doing any work, the camel was not ready to work and was only saying hump. Because of his selfishness, he got this hump on his back. And what he says, then jinn says to the camel that the jinn says, the camel, you have to work. And the camel asks how he can work with a giant hump on his back. Now he has hump on his back, so camel asks, how can I walk? So what happens? The jinn explains that the hump will hold enough fuel for him to be able to work for 3 days without eating. So now his hump became the blessing, right? So that means the camel can work 3 days without eating. He can store his food in his hump. Then the camel goes to join the three, and from that day, the camel always has a hump, right? And the camel has yet to catch up with the work he missed in the beginning of the time and has not yet learned how to behave, right? So from that day the camel has hump on his back, and you came to know how he got his hump, because the only thing the camel used to say was hump, and the jinn says if he repeats the same thing, something bad will happen. So as he repeatedly said hump, hump grows on his back, right? This was a story how camel got his hump. So I will give you the hard word meanings. You can write down in your copy, and rest of the question answer you will do. Thank you.